Hey guys, we received a lot of feedback on our installation videos on how to hide the power cables and the rear camera cables. So today we're going to give the people what they want and show you 5 tips on how to hide the dashcam power cables and the dashcam rear camera cables. Tip number 1, research. Before hiding wires, you will need to do some vehicle-specific research. It's a good idea to look up your vehicle's wiring diagrams, airbag locations, and how to remove your trim pieces. All this information can be found in your user manual and online forums. Tip number 2, use a trim removal kit. Purchasing a trim removal kit can make hiding your wires much easier. A trim toolkit typically comes with a variety of different size pry tools made of plastic. The plastic tools are less likely to damage your interior compared to metal tools. Tip number 3, route the wires with the OEM cable management. Your vehicle's manufacturer has already run cables throughout your vehicle for all of the electrical systems. As an example, typically under the door sill, you will find your vehicle's wiring harness. By removing the plastic trim, you will expose the factory wiring and you can run your dashcam wires with the factory wiring. Tip number 4, using the A-pillar. You can hide wiring underneath the A-pillar. Your vehicle will most likely have an airbag behind the A-pillar. Therefore, take your time when removing the A-pillar. It is possible to puncture or damage the airbag. Once you have the A-pillar removed, you should see the manufacturer's cable management behind the airbag. You can route your dashcam wiring with the factory wiring behind the airbag. To ensure your wiring does not impede the deployment of your airbag, make sure the wiring is secured with either tape or zip ties behind the airbag. Tip number 5, weather strips. You can hide wiring in the weather strip by tucking the wiring underneath. This will cause your weather strip to bulge slightly, but it won't cause any damage. If you have any additional tips or tricks to hide the wires, let us know in the comments below. If you have any questions about installing your dashcam, please contact our support team.